Hello Jim Tech Post, and as you can see here we've got the Pixel 7a case to go with our new Pixel 7a. So we're going to have a look. This is the original case from the Google store, and we can see here in the back what it's got, and not much really, just what particulars of the business on the back, and the SKU code is GAO 4318. So you can have a read of that there if you want to pause it. And job is done. Alright, so let's open her up and have a look. Typical Google packaging, as you can see there, and we've got all these other little recycling bits down on the bottom too to take note of. That's it. Box empty. Comes in this wrapping, and very nice Team Pixel on the inside, and Pixel wrote on the inside here as well, just so you can get a closer look there. And basically that's what it looks like. So you got your keys on the side, which are different materials. So this is kind of softer on the sides, as you would expect with these cases from Google. Ports on the bottom, and nice grippy back. Now remember, some Pixel cases were kind of slippy at the back, of these is nice and grippy, so that'll give you more security on your phone. So let's put it on and see what it looks like. And there we go. So you can see that it comes nicely around the front of the screen there, which is really nice. Your mic up on top, and your camera bar again is present, and keys on the side, and of course down on the bottom you've got your speakers and your USB-C port, and that's pretty much it. Now you're going to have probably the same problem again with this. You might have dust gathering down here on the side, which is no big deal, and that's just what they are. And it's got that G logo engraved inside it there on the case, so you can actually run your finger across it there. Nice keys on the side, and I do like the way this comes around more on the front, like so, kind of hiding the bezel a bit, and it looks really well. So let's check the keys. So we'll just unlock, face unlock, and yeah, works fine. Face unlock works really well on this too, as you can see it's doing it straight away, and the volume keys there all working good as well, not a problem at all. And that's really it there. So we'll just get a closer look for you there of what it's going to look like, and down on the bottom and on the front, really nice finish to the case, and I do like how it kind of comes around the front of the device as well. So we want to check for wireless charging with our case on, and let's see, we need to be up about here I think. Yeah, and there we go, charging, and it's charging again, as you can see there, which is cool. So at least we know the wireless charging works with the case on, as people always like to know. And it's just handy because this has wireless charging on the 7a, and again you can see it'll just charge around, just to let you know that it does work, and you can see it charging away there and no problems whatsoever. But it's kind of a rubberized, a rubbery kind of texture to the case, for those who want to know how it feels. And it does give you extra grip, as I said earlier on, and looks really well, complements the phone nicely. And you can put your device down like that on its back. There is a small lip on the front, and you'll be able to put your device face down. So even trying pushing it there, it's not moving, which means it's raised over the glass, which is good for protection. And you can have a closer look there, and it's down on the bottom. And yeah, I'm filming this with my Pixel 7 just in case people want to know. And here is the bottom part of the case again, the top with the mic on the sides there, and there is your keys, which are slightly raised. That's really about it. It's only a case, but that's it, what you can expect. But the texture is really nice compared to previous cases, and that's about it. But the only thing again is you might have those gathering in there if you keep your phone in your pocket, so you can just get a closer idea of what it looks like there and in there. And that's really it, but it's nice and easy to take on and off as well, and that's about it. So stay tuned for more Google Pixel stuff coming on techdesign.com. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Any other questions, drop them down below. You can see this case isn't also a fingerprint magnet either, and it's not going to go off colour by the looks of it, and as it's not clear TPU or anything like that. But overall, pretty good job. I like it. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.